In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Trello with Slack. This integration will help streamline your workflow by connecting these two powerful productivity tools, so let's dive right in. First things first, we need to get started by logging into Trello. Go ahead and launch the Trello website and look for the login button. Click on that and you'll be prompted to sign in using your credentials. To make things a bit easier and more convenient, click on the option to log in using Google. This way you can quickly access your account without the hassle of remembering another password. Once you've clicked on Google, you'll see a list of your accounts. Simply select the account you plan to use with Trello. Once you're logged in, it's time to navigate to your workspace settings. Look at the left-hand panel where you'll see an option labeled Workspace Settings. Click on that, and then, when prompted, click on Workspace Settings again. This might seem a bit redundant, but it ensures you're in the right place to make the necessary adjustments. Now, with those settings open, scroll down to the bottom section titled Slack Workspaces Linking. This is where the magic happens. By linking Trello with Slack, you'll be able to create cards, receive notifications, and collaborate more efficiently without ever leaving your Slack app. In this section, you'll want to click on the button that says Add to Slack. This is the step where Trello and Slack start to merge their functionalities, enabling you to send information seamlessly between the two platforms. After clicking the button, you'll be taken to a new page where you need to authorize the connection. You'll see a button labeled Allow. Clicking this will give the necessary permissions to connect your Slack account with Trello. This is an important step for ensuring that both apps can communicate properly. And there you have it, you've successfully integrated Trello with Slack. From this point forward, you can enhance your productivity by using Trello to manage tasks and Slack to communicate effectively with your team. Remember, integrating these tools can speed up your workflow and keep your projects moving forward with fewer interruptions. Thanks for joining me in this quick tutorial on connecting Trello with Slack. If you found this helpful, be sure to check out more guides like this, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions or need further assistance. Happy productivity enhancing!